Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are completely new, hello, I'm sincerely Niko, and in today's video we're going to be trying out some new products. I got a dope box from Anastasia Beverly Hills, so if you guys are interested in what's inside this box here of their new summer collection, then definitely keep on watching. But before we do so, a little bit of business. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel because there's some amazing things coming out this month, next month, and the month after, and you do not want to miss my reviews and my thoughts on these particular products. You do not want to miss it. You do not want to miss it. So hit that subscribe button, join the EXO squad because we get lit on this side of YouTube. With that being said, let's go ahead and jump right on into this video. So the face is bare. I'm missing lashes, I'm missing eyeshadows, I'm missing a highlight, lipstick. Of course my lips are glossy, but I'm missing a lip color, and that's because I'm going to be applying all the new summer collection products from Anastasia on my lips. I'm also going to be breaking down the price points and all that good jazz for you guys. So if you want my thoughts, the price points, all the other stuff, then definitely keep on watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up because Anastasia is really killing the game right now. Anastasia Beverly Hills is killing the game. Norvina is killing the game. Norvina is slaying the game. Give them a thumbs up. Give them a thumbs up. So let's go ahead and jump into the first product that I will be trying on my face. So the first item I'm going to be trying out is their lip bundle set. This is a 4-piece set. This is not really new to them. They always do little lip kits like this that are miniature wide. They've done it before during the holiday season, and now they're bringing it to the summer collection, and they have 4 new shades that are not full size in this collection. So everything is limited edition unless we, the consumers, request for them to be permanent. Keep that in mind. You can request. The formula's already made, the color's already made. If you love something, don't be afraid to tweet Norvina and say, hey Norvina, I really want you to make this color permanent. Please, sis, please. So we have 4 matte lipsticks. Some of them have shimmer in them and some of them are pure base matte. I'm going to be trying out the lipsticks, and I'm also going to be doing a quick little swatch video of those. So let's go ahead and jump right on into that. So the first shade up I'm going to be trying out is Guava. Guava is a matte light coral with a shimmery pink reflex. The next shade I'm going to be trying out is Coconut. Coconut is a matte toasted rose. The next one up is Orange Blossom. Orange Blossom is a matte soft peach floral with an iridescent sheen. And then the last one out of the bundle is Leche. Leche is a matte blush mauve with a micro sparkle reflect. Okay, so now that we got all the lipsticks out of the way, we're gonna go ahead and move into a little tutorial with eyeshadow before I pop on the pigments on my eyes. So let's go ahead and jump right on into that portion. So I'm going to quickly go ahead and do my eyes real quickly. I'm going to be using some single shadows from ABH. I did receive this in PR as well too. I will not go into details about the shadow and the blending process. I'm going to keep it very short and minimum because you guys are here for the summer collection and my thoughts on those. So I will leave the color names on the screen down below and also in the description bar down below as well too of each shadow that I use and all the brushes that I use to do all of that. Alright guys, so the eyes are pretty much primed, done to a cute little slayage, and I'm ready to glam it up. I'm going to be going into the Pigments. Get into this, mama. So each of these pigments are individually sold for $22, but you can buy the whole bundle set for $90 on their website. There are 5 pigments inside of this box. I'm going to go ahead and swatch them for you guys and also give a description for you guys for each of them, just in case you want to get them individually or you're more interested in the whole package shebang. Right here, as you guys can see, these are swatched on my hands dry, and here they are wet. So I'm gonna try to do my best and use as many of these pigments that I can. Inside the package component is really dope. They do have a little shifter on the top to kind of stop it from spraying all over in the packaging. I think that is the most innovative and cool thing that brands can definitely do. Some brands don't do that. I know like MAC doesn't have the sifters on their pigments, but for this to be $22 in this size. So there's a total of 6 grams of 0.21 ounces inside of each container. I do love the fact that each container comes with a little sifter attached to it already. And it's plastic based, so if you want to pop it open to be able to dip your brush into it, you can do that as well too. I think I'm going to leave the sifter on because I do want to keep the packaging. This is my first official, official collection launch that I received ever. And I'm so grateful to be a part of ABH family and also on their PR list. I'm going to try to do as many of these pigments on my eyes as possible. So with that being said, I'm gonna start off with the shade called Crystal, and I'm gonna pop that on the inner corner of my eye, and I'm gonna take a little bit of the dewy set, and I'm just gonna get my brush, a little spray. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the shade called Sand. I'm going to saturate my brush first, then give it a spray. So the next shade that I'm going to go ahead and apply to my eyes is the shade called Desert. I'm going to put that right on the outer portion. And just kind of tap that right in this spot. So I'm gonna take this Stila Stay All Day liquid liner in Intense Black, and I'm gonna go ahead and line my eyes. Alright guys, so lashes are on, eyes are pretty much done. So I'm gonna go ahead and highlight the face. I'm gonna be using the shade called Desert to highlight the face. I'm gonna be using the A23 brush to do so. I'm gonna give my brush a little bit of spray from the dewy set. Dip right on in. Ooh, that's a lot. That's a lot. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Let me take my Morphe M510 to kind of blend this out a little bit. Because, ooh, she is beaming. I want to take a little bit of sand, just a smidge of sand, just for some extra dimension. But honey, I am here for these pigments. Norvina, sis. Honestly, So we're almost completely to the end of this tutorial. All I have to do is put on my lips, and then we're gonna try out the little body oil. For my lips, I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips with Trendsetter from Morphe, and I'm also going to be applying the shade Coconut on my lips with a little bit of gloss. The next product I'm going to be trying out is the Shimmering Body Oil. This comes in 1.5 fluid ounces or 45 milliliters. The price point for this is $38, but you can buy the PR packaging with the stencil, stickers, temporary body tattoo ordeal for $50. I do have both. I will probably be saving these to wear for another time, but I am going to apply this. That's why I went ahead and changed my shirt to the final shirt look, because I want to go ahead and apply it on and see how she works. So let's go ahead and this honey, let me blend her in, honey. Baby, do me, baby. Let me add a little bit of dewy setting spray on top, just to be extra. I'm gonna spray my brush just a little bit, and I'm just gonna dab a little bit of this body oil on top of the highlighted areas and the forehead. Because lately I've been loving a dewy look. Alright guys, so this pretty much completes this video. If you guys are interested in my thoughts of this whole entire collection, then let's go ahead and jump right on into it. Alright guys, so I'm going to tell you guys the real tea about all of this. I'm going to rate these products from my most highly anticipated loved item to my least highly anticipated loved item. Just like I did in the last ABH video that I reviewed, the Rivera palette, the highlighter, and also their brow setting gel. I'm going to do the exact same format as that. I'm gonna try to keep that going on my channel for you guys, so you guys can know what to spend your money on and what's really definitely worth getting. My favorite items that I am going to tell you guys to pick up, of course, are the Pigments. This is my most highly loved favorite items. Out of this in particular, I will say these three right here, which is Desert, Sand, and Daiquiri. These three right here, which is Desert, Sand, and Daiquiri, I definitely recommend picking up these three if you are on the more lighter, fair skin to pale ordeal. No shade at all to my pale princess out there. I love you guys. You can definitely pick up these two shades, Icy and Crystal. That will definitely work for you. Even Daiquiri as well too, if you want more of a gold shift. My next favorite item that I will definitely be using as well too out of this new collection is the body oil, baby. This gives me Soleil Blanc from Tom Ford, but an affordable version. If you guys watch Jackie Aina, you know Jackie Aina loves Soleil de Blanc from Tom Ford. Can't speak. Soleil de Blanc from Tom Ford, and that normally retails for about like 70, 80 bucks for about the same ounces. 38 from ABH. Mama's trying to save you guys your coins so you guys can glow for the summer. I definitely do love this. This will definitely be going with me to LA so I can look glistening in the skin for BeautyCon LA. Got everything in a row for all of that. Hotel done, flight done, coin set. Y'all better get ready to see me in LA, honey, again. And then of course my least favorite item, but still I'm going to be using them because I do have a favorite one out of this whole entire set, is the lipstick bundle. The lipstick bundle is lipsticks, of course. There's nothing too revolutionary about these. I definitely do love the shade Coconut and Leche. Those are going to be used heavily on my skin, on my lips. I'm going to be using it. I have on Coconut right now, and honey, it looks just like my lips but better with a brown liner, Trendsetter from Morphe. But these are not my least favorite. These are just probably going to be divided the most out of anything that I have here. And I did not try this on, so I can't really review how these apply on the skin, but I will give you guys an update on that on my social media, which is Twitter and Instagram. Definitely should follow me there, X0Niko, on social medias, including Snapchat as well too. Check your boy out. Other than that, I'm going to end this video right here. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Comment down in the section below your favorite item that I tried on from this summer collection. I want to know what you guys are anticipated to try out. I'm going to end this video here, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace. Bye.